Now, these are two separate items from the Amazon shop. I've got some nice heavy duty, really nice chunky ID lock there, which you can put a padlock on to keep it padlocked. Comes with a variety of nuts and bolts. These are quite substantial. These are not needed for me. But it also comes with some screws as well. So you've got that there. This is a pair. Both of these come as a set. And the other thing I've got were these really nice big handles. Now, I am a lady, but I've also got very big hands for a woman. My hands are actually bigger than my husband's, and this is a really good size. So I don't think it's going to matter how big your hands are. This is going to be absolutely perfect. And look how chunky. This is very, very solid. And again, you get a pair of them, and you get your screws as well. This is my back gate. I might actually also put one here so I can easily pull this open. This has got one of these guys, but I think it would be cool to have that there as well. Just going to be a case of simply screwing these on, nothing magical, but I'll show you how it turned out. And there is the finished project. Nothing more complicated than putting it on with the screws wherever you need to go. I've got my nice chunky handle there, nice metal, very solid. And this gaped at the top, so it was always permanently gaping. So this is more for keeping it closed, but I thought I'd just make sure I get one that has the facility for the padlock. So that's it as it is. I was open like that, of course. And if you want to padlock it shut, you would just push that in there and go like that, go across, put your padlock through there so that it cannot come down, and this is stuck. So unless they get the padlock off, you won't be able to get this off. But without a padlock on, you can just do that and have it open. But with a padlock on, you would not be able to do that. I'm really pleased with that. I think it came out lovely.